Hi, my name is Craig Hawker with Action Team Realty. I'm the principal broker and owner. Today I want to talk to you about wire fraud. You might have learned or have seen some terrible news articles where people have sent money to title companies and to other entities thinking that they did everything right, and all of a sudden the money has disappeared and it did not go where it was supposed to, and no longer do they own a home, or they have just lost $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. So let me explain what's going on with this wire fraud. What's happening is there are people who are much smarter than you and me, and they are hacking into people's networks and into their emails, and they are going so sophisticated that they can get into an email and act as if it was me or a lender or a title company, and copy everything exactly the way it is and tell you to change the wiring instructions of where you are supposed to be sending your wire. So what needs to happen in this case, if you are a buyer, please call the title company directly before you send any wire and any money so that you can close on a property. Make sure that you call the title company directly. We're telling people to Google the phone number. Don't look at the phone number in an email. Google the phone number and say, okay, I'm calling. I want to make sure that the wiring instructions that I got were legitimate, and that this is your routing number, and this is where I need to wire the money. I know it sounds crazy, but you would rather spend 2 extra minutes to Google a title company's phone number, call them, verify, than to send wire instructions and send wiring and money, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 of your down payment, and then find out that it went to the wrong person. Here's why this is such a big deal. Once you wire money, you don't get it back. There is no way to get it back. So if it gets into the wrong hands, it's not like a cashier's check or a personal check where you can do a stop payment. You cannot stop payment on a wire. So that is these terrible stories of people losing all of this money and then them losing the house because of it. That's what it is. We at Action Team Realty, we promise we will never send you wiring instructions. That is not our job. That is not our duty. If you ever get wiring instructions from us, it's fraudulent. So please make that a diligent effort on your part. Again, this is Craig Hawker with Action Team Realty. To learn more about it, call me directly and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you.